Welcome to HealthPath Finder, your guide to a healthier and happier life. In this enlightening journey, we will journey through the realms of self-discovery, self-love, and self-empowerment. We are not merely spectators in life, but active participants in our own well-being. Each of us possesses an extraordinary force within, an innate power to heal and rejuvenate. This video series will guide you in unlocking this potential, providing you with the tools to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Together, we will explore the power within, the strength in unity, the medicine of movement, and the healing power of creativity. Embarking on this journey, you will learn to honor your individual rhythms, respect your boundaries, and tune into your inner wisdom. So sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a transformative journey to health and happiness. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered about the remarkable power within you, the power to heal? It's an extraordinary force, a vitality that resides in each of us, awaiting its moment to shine. Our journey through life often presents us with trials and tribulations, but within these challenges lies an opportunity to awaken this innate power and embark on a healing journey. Healing is not merely a physical process, it's a holistic dance that involves the mind, body, and spirit working harmoniously to restore balance. It's about reconnecting with our essence, our being, and our potential. Let's start with the mind, the vessel of our thoughts and emotions. The practice of mindfulness, of being present in the moment, can be a powerful ally in our healing journey. It invites us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility within. Then we have the body, our physical vessel. Nourishing it with wholesome foods is not just about satiating hunger, it's about providing ourselves with the nutrients they require to function optimally. It's about celebrating the beauty of nature's bounty and its capacity to heal and rejuvenate. Finally, there's the spirit, the essence of who we are. Cultivating self-compassion is a critical part of nurturing the spirit. It's about treating ourselves with the same kindness and understanding we would offer to a dear friend. It's about acknowledging our imperfections not as flaws but as integral parts of our unique journey. In essence, the journey to healing begins with nurturing the self, mind, body, and soul. It's about honoring our individual rhythms, respecting our boundaries, and tuning into our inner wisdom. It's about empowering ourselves to become active participants in our own well-being, for within each of us lies an incredible power, the power to heal. So let's embark on this journey together, unlocking the potential within, one step at a time. After all, the journey to healing is a journey of self-discovery, self-love, and self-empowerment. And it all begins with nurturing the self, mind, body, and soul. Remember, no one is alone in their healing journey. As we navigate the intricate paths of life, we may stumble upon challenges that seem insurmountable. It's during these times that the strength and unity becomes our beacon of hope and resilience. There's an inexplicable power in shared experiences. When we open up about our struggles and seek support, we not only lighten our own burdens, but also pave the way for others to do the same. It's a ripple effect of compassion and understanding that brings us all closer together. Healthcare professionals, friends, and support groups play a crucial role in our healing journey. These are the individuals and communities that provide a safe space for us to express our fears, our hopes, and our dreams. They lend a listening ear when we need it most, offering solace and strength in times of uncertainty. Moreover, they provide the tools and resources necessary for us to take control of our healing process. From medical treatments and therapies to holistic approaches such as yoga and meditation, they guide us on the path to wellness. But seeking support is not solely about receiving help. It's also about giving back. When we share our own experiences and insights, we contribute to a collective pool of knowledge and understanding. We become part of a larger narrative, a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the power of unity. In a world that often feels divided, it's comforting to know that we're not alone in our struggles. We are part of a vast, interconnected network of individuals, all navigating their own healing journeys. Each story is unique, but together, they form a beautiful tapestry of shared experiences and collective wisdom. In unity, we find strength and solace, reminding us we are not alone in our journey. So let's reach out, share our stories, and support one another. For it's through this shared journey of healing that we truly understand the power of unity. Did you know that movement is a powerful form of medicine? Yes, it's true. Movement in its many forms is an often underappreciated component on the road to healing. Consider a gentle walk in nature, the rhythm of your steps, the crunch of leaves underfoot, the whisper of the wind through the trees. All these elements combine to create a symphony of sensory experiences that stimulate your body and mind, promoting healing and well-being. Now let's imagine a yoga session. The stretch and release of muscles, the deep mindful breaths, the quiet focus on each pose. Yoga is not just an exercise for the body, it's a practice that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit. This harmony is a potent medicine helping to reduce stress, enhance flexibility, and promote inner peace. And what about dancing? Dancing, the joyful celebration of life through movement. Dancing can be an exhilarating release, a way to express emotions that words cannot capture. It's a form of therapy that encourages self-expression, boosts mood, and enhances physical health. Whether it's walking, practicing yoga, or dancing your heart out, movement serves as a conduit for healing. It's a way to release pent-up energy, to connect with your body, to feel alive and vibrant. Movement stimulates the production of endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, and it enhances our immune system, making us more resilient in the face of illness. But movement is not just about physical health, it's also about emotional well-being. When we move, we shake off the inertia of negative emotions, we let go of stress and anxiety, we uplift our spirits. Remember, our bodies are designed to move, they crave it, they thrive on it. Movement is a language that every cell in our body understands. It's a form of communication that fosters connection, unity, and healing. So let's embrace movement, in all its forms, as a vital part of our healing journey. Let's dance, let's stretch, let's walk, let's move. Because movement invigorates our bodies, uplifts our spirits, and is a key part of our healing journey. Have you considered the healing power of creativity? It's a question that may not come up often, but the answer can be profoundly transformative. Creativity is not merely an escape, it is a sanctuary. It is a space where we can explore, express, and heal. Think about the last time you lost yourself in an art project, strummed a guitar, or poured your heart into a journal. These moments of immersion are not just fulfilling, they are healing. Each stroke of the brush, each note on a piano, each penned line is an extension of you, a release of what's inside, a step towards healing. Art, in its myriad forms, is a mirror to the soul. It allows us to express emotions that words often fail to capture. Whether it's a vibrant splash of paint on a canvas representing joy, or a melancholy melody echoing our sadness, art gives voice to our inner world. Music too has a potent healing effect. It can be a soothing balm for a weary soul, a rhythmic booster for a low spirit, or a harmonious companion in solitude. It vibrates within us, resonating with our emotions and often providing comfort and relief. Writing, whether it's penning a poem or maintaining a journal, offers a safe haven for our thoughts and feelings. It's a private dialogue with the self, a chance to reflect, understand, and grow. It's a journey of self-discovery, where we meet parts of ourselves we might not have known existed. These creative outlets are more than just hobbies or pastimes, they are powerful tools that help us navigate our healing journey. They provide solace, joy, and perhaps most importantly, a sense of control. In the realm of creativity, we are the masters. We create, we express, we heal. Expressing ourselves through creativity allows us to tap into our inner wisdom and is a powerful tool for healing. It's time to pick up that paintbrush, tune that guitar, or open that journal. Let creativity be your guide on the path to healing. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a single stroke, a single note, a single word. Healing is a journey, not a destination. These words resonate deeply because they remind us that the path to wellness is a continuous process, one that requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of our individual needs. As we've explored in previous scenes, the journey of healing is a holistic one. It encompasses not just the body but also the mind and spirit. It's about nurturing ourselves on all levels, embracing self-compassion, and practicing mindfulness. It's about nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods and engaging in activities that invigorate us physically and uplift our spirits. But it's also about seeking support when we need it. Whether it's from healthcare professionals, friends, or support groups, knowing that we are not alone in our journey can provide solace and strength. We are, after all, social beings, and there's immense power in unity. Let's not forget the healing power of creativity. Expressing ourselves through art, music, or writing allows us to tap into our inner wisdom and find solace in self-expression. It's a way to channel our thoughts and emotions, to give voice to our innermost feelings, and to find meaning in our experiences. As we move forward on this journey, it's crucial to remember that healing is not about reaching a certain destination. It's about embracing the present moment, nurturing ourselves with love and compassion, and trusting in the innate wisdom of our bodies. It's about listening to what our bodies are telling us, tuning into its signals, and responding with care and kindness. So empower your healing journey. Take a moment each day to check in with yourself, to listen to your body and to honor your needs. Remember, you hold within you an incredible power, the power to heal. Trust in yourself, trust in the wisdom of your body, and let your inner light guide you to wholeness and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this healing journey. We hope these insights and practices have been helpful and empowering. If you found this video beneficial, why not give it a thumbs up? It's a small gesture that can make a big difference. And if you think your friends or family might benefit from these healing practices, please feel free to share this video with them. It's all about spreading the word and helping each other on our individual paths to wellness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our empowering content. We're constantly exploring new ways to nurture the mind, body, and spirit, and we'd love to have you on board. Remember, every step you take is a step towards healing. We understand it's a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Keep going, trust in your inner strength, and let your healing journey unfold. Thank you for being with us. And until next time, take care of yourself.